Hello students, welcome to Jagannath Mathematics Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss the concept of equal functions. Before moving into our topic, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Let's get into this. So today we are discussing what are equal functions, right? We have discussed functions, domain, range and codomain of a function in our previous lectures, right? So in this lecture we will focus on equal functions. So see the definition, let f and g be two functions, right? Then the two functions f and g are said to be equal if they satisfy the three conditions. Now what are the three conditions? The first condition is that domain of the function f must be equal to the domain of the function g, right? Next, the second condition is the codomain of the function f must be equal to the codomain of the function g, right? And the third condition is fx equals to gx for every x belonging to their common domain, right? This is the definition part. Now let's understand what are equal functions through an example. Consider a set A which contains two elements, say 1 and 2, and consider another set B which contains two elements 3 and 6. Now f is a function from A to B defined by fx equals to x square plus 2, and g is also a function from A to B defined by gx equals to 3x. Now we are asked, are the functions f and g equal? So for equal functions we must have the three conditions, right? Let's check each condition. See, given that f is a function from set A to set B, we have discussed this earlier, that if f is a function from set A to set B, then this set is called what? Yes, this set A is called the domain of the function f, right? And this set B is called what? This set B is called the codomain of the function f, right? Now f is a function from A to B and g is also a function from A to B. So the first two conditions are satisfied, means the domain of function f is same as the codomain of, is same as the domain of g, which is set A, and the codomain of f, which is B, right, is same as codomain of g. So first two conditions are satisfied, right? Let's check the third condition, that is fx equals to gx for all x belonging to their common domain A. How to check this? Just see. Here our set A was the 1 and 2, right? Let us check the third condition. Now given that f is a function from A to B defined by fx equals to x square plus 2. Now we plug in values from the set A. So we find the value of f of 1 and then we find the value of f of 2 by just putting in this formula, right? So in place of x, if we want to calculate f of 1, we have to put 1 in place of x. So f of 1 becomes 1 square plus 2, which gives 1 plus 2 as 3, and the f of 2 as 2 square plus 2, which is 4 plus 2 as 6, right? Then f1 is 3, right? See, f1 is 3 and f2 is 6. We have just found out. Okay. Let's check for the function g also, right? So now g is a function from a to b, right? Defined by gx equals to 3x. Now we find the value of g1 and g2 and then compare with f1 and f2. So in place of this x, we can put g1 equals to 3 times 1, which is 3, right? And in place of this x, to find g2, put x is 2. 3 2s are 6. Now you can see that the value of g1 is 3 and g2 is 6. And from here you can see that the value of f1 is 3 and the value of g1 as also 3, and the value of f2 is 6 and the value of g2 is also 6. Means our third condition is also satisfied. Hence third condition is satisfied as f1 equals to g1, which is equals to 3, and f2 equals to g2, which is equals to 6. Hence from above we conclude that the two functions are equal functions, right? If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Let's move on to the second example. Find the domain for which the functions fx and gx are equal, where fx is defined as 2x square minus 1 and gx is defined as 1 minus 3x. You have to find that common domain. So see, by definition of equal functions, we know if fx and gx are equal functions, then fx must be equal to gx, right? So in place of fx, we put 2x square minus 1, right? This. And in place of gx, we will put 1 minus 3x. And we equate them, right? Right? See this. 2x square minus 1 equals to 1 minus 3x. If we bring this minus 3x to the LHS, this will become plus 3x, and if we bring this plus 1 to the LHS, this will be minus 1, right? Next, this becomes 2x square plus 3x minus 1 gives minus 2. Then we need to factorize this. This will be 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 equals to 0. And we get it as 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 equals to 0. Now by the zero product rule, either 2x minus 1 is 0 or 2x or x plus 2 is 0. From here we get x as half, and from this we get x as minus 2, right? Thus the functions fx and gx are equal on which set? This set, which contains two elements, minus 2 and half. I hope the concept of equal function is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to at least